Hi, welcome back to Hashtag Homemade. In today's video, I'll show how to make Bangalore famous dhonne biryani in an instant pot. Here is a list of all the ingredients you will need. Oil 2 tablespoons, ghee 3.5 tablespoons, chicken 1.5 kilograms, sirga sambar rice 2.5 cups, biryani spices, cloves 6, cardamom 10, bay leaves 3, star anise 3, mace 2, marathi muggu 4, tagarful 6. Quarter cup of cashews, 1 medium sized onion, 1 small tomato, salt as per taste, fennel powder 3 teaspoons, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, cumin powder 1.5 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, chilies 15, 1 lemon, cilantro, mint leaves, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. First, take a bunch of cilantro and mint leaves, add 15 chilies, make this into a paste and keep it aside. Now turn on the instant pot and set the heat to medium. Wait until it gets hot. Once it's hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, add 10 cardamom, 6 cloves, 3 star anise, 2 mace, 4 marathi muggu, 3 bay leaves, 6 tagarful, a quarter cup of cashews, 1 medium sized onion cut into thin slices. Add some salt and cook the onions with the lid on for next 10 minutes. Now add the chopped tomatoes and keep the lid back on. Cook for 5 minutes. Add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and mix. Next add the green chili, mint and coriander paste. Fry until the raw smell is gone. Switch the instant pot to high heat. Add 2 cups of hot water. Now add the chicken pieces. To the chicken pieces, add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 teaspoons of fennel powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix everything and cook the chicken for 15 minutes with the lid on. Now add 1 whole lemon juice, 3 cups of hot water. To maintain everything at the same temperature, add hot water instead of cold. Check salt and add if needed. Add 2.5 cups of washed and soaked rice. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee on top. Mix everything together. Now close the lid and pressure cook on high heat for 10 minutes. Leave for 10 minutes and then do a quick release. And dhonne biryani is ready. Mix everything gently and serve it hot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel to get updates on more videos.